Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're gonna show you how we made this amazing looking headrest out of those really poopy and unusable woods that we got from our neighbors. They literally told us use it for whatever or for fire, and we thought why not do a headrest that looks luxurious. So let's get started and show you how we made it. We took all the woods from the pile and put them next to each other to see how many we will need to get exact to 2 meters. After we were done, we took them in the house to get started. First, we're gonna cut the ends and then cut it to the size we need. We started on 120 and dropped 5 centimeters each step. But of course, that's up to you. And then I also gave it a try. It was a bit scary, but I did it. And to experience the full process, I also had to clean it. To keep them together, we cut small pieces of plank and nailed them on. And then to get the shape we wanted, we used a professional tool, which is a cap of a paint bucket. But of course you can make whatever shape or angle you want. And that's one of the processes done. We decided to use a blanket as that was the cheapest way of doing it, and I bought it from Yisk over a week ago. And now it's finally time for me to unbox it. If I would just know how to open it. We bought 2 different blankets. This one is a green one, a nice, super luxurious looking green. This is gonna be the main one. It's 220 by 220. But in case it's not enough, I bought also a white blanket, which we might, I don't know, we will see how far we're gonna get. Otherwise, we're just gonna use it as a blanket. So this is the main one, and we're gonna get started with that. This is the cushion we bought. It's 50mm thick. It's 220 wide and 120 high, I think. The measurements are here. And we're gonna get started with the middle ones to be sure that we have a middle done with the green. And if we don't have enough, we're gonna do also the sides white. Otherwise, we're gonna do them green. So let's get started with one. Left 5 centimeters on the bottom where the wood is gonna get attached on the bed. You need to cut the foam exactly on the size of the wood you have, not any extra. Then the cutting was a bit tricky. At the beginning we used a scissors and then a knife. We had perfectly enough to do all of them, so we decided to do the cushions for each wood, and now we're gonna go to the blanket. So we have one task done and we go to the next one. We have more than enough blanket, and what we're doing is we're gonna put them like two because it fits. So I think that's the most effective way of doing it and keeping as much blanket as possible so we don't have like leftover cutouts. So I think that's how we're gonna do it. So let's take them back out and start doing one by one. Make sure you have enough blanket on the sides to cover the cushion on top and bottom. Rather cut more than less, because then it's gonna get hard to put it on. Get ready for a painful and long process. You would maybe like to have a partner or a friend helping you. We are finally done, and that's how they look again last time like this before they go on. We did, I think, a pretty good job with the staple. We literally got tired on the last ones, but now we're gonna take out the blanket because it got way too dirty. So we're gonna start cleaning everything up and then put them on and show you how we put them on. It's super easy. You just literally gonna screw them here and that's it, but we'll show you. So let's clean up first. Put it on and I bring the other two.
Baba, what the hell are you talking about? Two fit here.
Two fit, but it's
You're
gonna
just
not have a gap.
drunk, aren't you?
Baba, look. I told you, start on the very edge.
That was actually enough.
You probably have seen it from the intro, but that's how it looks. I really like it, and we actually didn't have any left over on the foam except of like the edges that we cut, but we didn't have a lot left over. And from the fabric we have only this left. That is for Evie, for our cat, because she was using our blanket, which is very big, that we would like to use. Yeah, and we gave her the rest pieces. They're perfectly enough for her. And the other blanket we're just gonna use for us. It's a very nice and fluffy blanket. Ooh, very satisfying. Now our bed is fully done, and if you want to see how we made the bed, link will be down below. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.